This is a quick video that's going to go over some of the road damage that has occurred in this area and some other things like the staging areas for debris. And just to give people an update of the volume of debris and just the damages overall. And this is just one small example in the area where I live in Avery County that has been collecting debris. It's a perfect example of, you can see it in the distance over there. They're fixing that road, dumping a bunch of stones down there. But this is a logging road, and I don't know if they use this to get down there. I'm gonna walk down here and see if I can see up that road. Tons of rhododendrons. Keeps this place green. Well, here, let's see if you can see it now. I can't even remember how many. I'd say 100 loads of stone that they put down there. Let's go back down this road. You see it there? See it real well from here. Looks like he's fixing a drain over there. Over. It's a huge area. And this is only one of so many roads that needed to get fixed. Down here, came down this gully, pulled away all that side of the road. He's hammering it down to make it solid. They pulled the road up, and that's what they're doing now to make the road firm. A little culvert. It's probably 18 inches. It came flooding down this gully. Down this gully here. All the way down to the bottom. Washed out the road. Pretty amazing. Water is so powerful. I also took a quick drive along the Blue Ridge Parkway, and all the leaves are down, but I just wanted to see what the tree damage was, and I'm going to do some shorts on that. This region right here is a collection point, and it is one of hundreds of places where people are bringing, I think the county or the state, I'm not sure, is picking up all the garbage on the side of the road and storing it in this place. And there it looked like they were taking some of that wood, which is just in such abundance. They're taking some of that wood and they are making it, looks like, into sawdust, mulching it. I'm not sure even what they'll do with that afterwards.